Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to edit any page on your SharePoint site in just 6 simple steps. Let me show you where to get started. From your SharePoint dashboard, you'll find the Pages option in the left side panel. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a list of all your pages here. Just find and select the one you want to make changes to. Look up to the top right corner and click the Edit button to open up the editing interface. Here's where the magic happens. You can modify your page using the toolbox on the right and the floating menu around your workspace. Feel free to add or update text, images, links, news sections, people, and much more. When you're satisfied with your changes, head to the top menu bar and choose either Republish to make it live immediately, or Save as Draft if you'd like to review it later. Perfect! Your SharePoint page has now been updated with all the changes you made. That's all there is to it. You now know how to edit any SharePoint page whenever you need to make updates.